Hello, my beautiful people. I didn't pull a rune this morning, so I decided to pull one for the weekend right now so that we'd have something to go on. So let's pick one, shall we? Ask Spirit for a rune to think about this weekend. We have Laguz, which is water. Sorry, my cat's over here. I think he wants some snacks. So hold on, I'm going to give him some snacks so he stops poking me in the butt with his claws. So we have Laguz, which is water, which is flow. So go with the flow this weekend. But don't trust me. Let us look it up, shall we? So intuition, emotion, flow, and renewal. Dreams, hopes, and fears. Water, oceans, lakes, rivers, wells. Supernatural entities, underworld and afterlife. Wake up repressed personality. Trust your inner knowledge. Manipulate fear. No need to restrain yourself. Travel. Inner journey, depth of soul. Crossing mental, physical boundaries. Protection. Being in tune with emotions. So that is what Laguz means. Let's get a card from our good friends at Celtic Spirit to go with it. So today was a really great day. I got to see a whole bunch of my colleagues from New Jersey. I had moved back here in 2019 when my father was diagnosed with stage 4 lung cancer. And I am actually at the college that I went to as a student and actually started my career at. And I've always been, throughout my whole career, a huge champion of community colleges because they work so well for me. And I'm very fortunate in my career to have been to have worked with amazing people everywhere I've been. And I'm especially fond of my friends in New Jersey. Just a great group of people, and it was so good to see them. So let's get a card to go with Laguz, and a spirit to give us a card. Okay, what do we have? We have rest. So kind of go with the flow this weekend. There's going to be a lot of really bad weather. So I think this is just a really nice reminder to recharge and do things for self-care. Because, you know, we're kind of all going to be stuck in the house if you're in the East Coast. Because the wind's going to be bad or the rain is going to be bad, depending on where you live. And it's a good time to take care of yourself and do things that bring you meaning and sort of just go with the flow and don't push things, don't rush things, just sort of enjoy the lazy river, right? Enjoy the time that you have set aside. So I'm wishing all of you all the very best of light and love, and hope you have a great weekend. Take care. Bye-bye.